Hey guys, welcome back to English Era. Today we will know how we can use phrasal verbs in our daily conversation or daily life so that we can improve our English speaking. So without any delay, let's get started. It's a conversation between two friends. Hi, I would like to trade in this car if possible and upgrade to a better one. Then Danny, I am sure we could work something out. Can I point out some of the options for new cars? Hang on. You can maybe talk me into a new car, but I have to stick to my budget pretty strictly, so it would have to be a cheaper one. Sure, let's have a look around. Why don't you think about a Ria? It could go down a bit on price if your old car is in reasonable shape. In this conversation, we can see some words that is in red color. These words are phrasal verbs. So let's see their meanings. Trade in, exchange something old, usually for a newer thing. Work something out, make a deal. Point out, highlight or feature. Hang on, wait. Talk me into, convince. Stick to, not cheat. Think about, consider. Go down, reduce. So guys, I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe English Era.